This is a Superior soldering tripod. These are your components. All of them are stainless steel. This is the screen. You gonna touch it?
Do you want me to?
Yeah, this is the screen. These are the legs with the brackets. And this is the tightening tool. The wire mesh screen is very sharp on the edges, so be careful not to cut yourself.
Ow!
Slide the bracket with the leg over the edge where you want it. The leg clamp should be in at least one row. Snug with one hand holding the bracket on one side and tighten the rod until it feels tight. Then insert the tightening tool and turn 1/4 of a turn, or until it feels pretty tight and solid. Now wiggle both of them together. It should feel like one piece. Okay. Now repeat with the other two legs. You can turn it to where it's comfortable for you to do that, honey.
Wrong way. Oh, making a getaway.
Okay, now we'll turn it over and take a look. And if it needs to be leveled, you can do that by tweaking the legs either in or out, depending on what you need to get it more level. Depending on where your brackets are on the top of the screen, it's going to change it a little back and forth. These screens, when they're sold, they come bowed in various directions. So that's how you assemble it. Watch for some videos later on how to use it. And thank you for purchasing our Superior soldering tripod.